Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial for you guys, and today I will be doing a requested video by one of my lovely subscribers. She requested some butterfly diamond nails, so I did recreate my own easy, beautiful version for you guys to do at the comfort of your home, and I will have everything linked down below if you guys are interested in purchasing anything that you guys saw in this tutorial. So right here I am just placing my peel off coat. Remember to only apply your peel off coat if you don't plan to wear your nails for very long. If you want your nails to last, remember to prep and prime and add a base. And by the way guys, thank you so much for all the love and support that I received down below. It means the absolute world to me, and I love each and every one of you very, very much. So here I'm just picking out my nail tips, and remember to always make sure that they fit perfectly sidewall to sidewall. If not, you can always file them to fit your nail. So right here I am just grabbing the e-file and just grabbing a medium grit sanding band and just buffing out the nails because it does create a beautiful plush look when applying onto the nail plate. And by the way guys, if you're looking for an e-file, you don't want to spend a lot of money, I do recommend this one. It works just as fine and it's very affordable. As you guys can see, it's on sale for $14.99. So yeah, if you guys are interested, like I said before, I will have everything linked down below. So here I am grabbing a top coat, and then I am using this as an adhesive to adhere the glitter flakes and butterflies. I prefer using a top coat for this particular method just because sometimes the base coats, once they cure, they do create bubbles. So with the top coat it hasn't happened, so that's why I choose to use the top coat. And remember that you're applying the top coat underneath the nail. We're working underneath the nail and pretty much encapsulating everything, and then when you place the nail on, it looks beautiful, and then you just add a top coat. So this is what the nail looks like after I've applied everything. Now I'm just gonna apply a bit more of top coat onto my actual nail plate, apply the nail, and then I'm gonna cure it all together for 30 through 60 seconds, all depending on your nail lamps. So right here I'm just repeating the process all over again for my middle finger and my pinky. So the process, like I mentioned earlier, you add the top coat as an adhesive to your glitter flakes and your butterflies, then you add some more top coat to your actual nail plate, you place the nail on and cure it all together. So here I'm just gonna grab a bit more of top coat and then just adhere the rest of the nails, and I'm gonna cure it under the UV lamp. It's up to you whether you want to use a top coat or a base coat. They work the same. So here, that is what I am doing, and then we will get into the rhinestone part of the tutorial. So now I'm going in with some more top coat and applying them to the index finger and the ring finger, where I will be applying some bling. So as you guys can see, I am using it as an adhesive for my rhinestones. So I am just beginning to place the rhinestones around the cuticle area, and then you guys will see me apply the other rhinestones. And with this type of application, just always remember when you're dealing with rhinestones, it takes a lot of patience and just, you know, staying focused and concentrated, but anybody is able to achieve it. So now I will go in and apply my top coat, and after I will finish off with some cuticle oil, and that is it for the tutorial today. Thank you guys so much once again for supporting this channel and showing me all the love. It really means the world to me. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.